Hey guys, so we're gonna be making the best Lancia Delta or the best. So I don't know what they're called, but it's basically just like the Subaru first gen Subaru BRZ, not the BRZ, but I forgot. But it's basically like an off-roading rally car. Yeah. Okay. So basically, this is the Lancia Delta, an absolute beast. Used to be super fast, great and rallying. Sounds amazing too. Sounds like one of those Nick 830 intros. So in today's video, we're mostly gonna be making it into a rally car. So what we're gonna do is just completely max out, so it feels and is fast. So let's just do that. So admission, race, select, done. Now suspension. We're gonna make this an absolute beast. So oh my gosh, guys. Oh, dude, that suspension is so high, guys. Oh my god. Yeah, at least now we can get over speed bumps. Finally. So we're gonna make this into an off-roading beast and a fast car too. So let's do the rear tires. Offset. Okay, this is more like seems like a truck. Like seems like modding like okay. I think we should just keep we should just keep that same. Oh, never mind. Okay, so this is not enough. This is not okay. They changed. Okay, guys, it's done. I think I'm gonna change the tires. You guys can do whatever you want, but I think since it's a it's gonna be an off-road beast. I'll do an off-road one. Okay, I guess red works too, or I could just do custom paint. Think, think, yeah, red would work. Okay, guys, let's see how it sounds first. This is oh, okay. Wow, guys, this is so quick. No one even talks about this car anymore, so this could be a great. I'm not asking if we can race, and then they'll get trolled so bad. What? How did I get this? That's so cool. Anyways, you hear the sound? Oh my god. Yup, it still is the best. I let's test the max speed. We can go. I don't have high hopes. Okay, 153. I guess this is okay for more than a 60-year-old car. Well, actually, like 30. I don't know, 20, 30. Yeah. It's just off road. So usually normal cars, like normal hatchbacks, cannot get over the speed bump. So I mean, not speed bump, but whatever. But let's test with this. It was. Oh my gosh. Okay. That was really okay. Let's fix that then. Ah, there we go. So let's do the 100 mile an hour. Let's make this a bit loud. Okay, it's pretty loud, so just okay. 100. Oh crap. So when the moose test, it does pretty nice. Like it's oh crap. Oh. It doesn't even. Oh, it does have traction control. It does not want to give traction control at all. Wow, wow. Let's try to up this. Okay, let's try to make this a bit more faster. Okay, now let's try doing the moose, guys. Let's try doing the moose test at max on top speed. Move away, slowpoke. Oh, never mind. I'm the slowpoke. Okay, at 153 miles per hour. Okay, you should give in any time now. Any time now. About now. Okay, so first of all, this has great handling. Did 100 out of 100 in moves test. A great in acceleration. Sort of for drag races too. And great in rallying. So, but it's 81,000 to buy it, and to max it's kind of expensive. So I'd rate this a 6 out of 10 because of the cost, and no one usually really likes off road anymore, and mostly people like speed, so 6 out of 10. But, I mean, that's pretty much it for today's video. So, bye guys, see ya.